Welcome back. Now within the business settings, you're going to notice that within the Stripe apps, there is a radar setting. And when you first open your account, you may be testing Stripe for radar. Basically, it is an engine that blocks payments with a high risk score where their algorithm detects something that looks like it may be a fraudulent payment up front. Basically, what radar does is it gives you the ability to set rules to block certain payments that look suspicious. And to do this, you will pay an additional 2 cents per transaction for this service. And so basically, this additional service will give you a block list, the custom rules that we just talked about, as well as insights on the kind of payments that you take in on a regular basis. And in fact, you'll see that as payments do come into your account, that Stripe will do a risk evaluation, and they'll let you know what that risk evaluation is as you see them. So if you want the additional protection of your already existing account, you can try Stripe Radar for free for a certain period of time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.